Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing everything that directly speeds up encounters or eggs. Acquire a Flutter main or compatible parent and place a foreign ditto to utilize the Masuda method. This raises your shiny odds. Once done, bring 2-3 partners with flame body to have egg steps and set up a picnic to rest and produce eggs quickly. Save before starting to lock progress. Make sure to separate target Pokemon into specific boxes labeled for tracking Roman 4 and hatching counts. You now focus on methods that meaningfully increase shiny chance during the hunt. If you're den camping, cycle weather or area mechanics that amplify spawn rates and soft reset after catching or failing. For breeding, continuously swap parents into the daycare to maintain flame body and chain hatch counts, noting each egg's origin box. Once done, use repels to avoid unwanted encounters when entering areas, and prepare a fast team with speed, and false swipe to secure a shiny without fainting it. You finish by capturing and validating success while preventing setbacks. Throw quick ball on turn 1, then switch to ultra or timer balls, induce sleep or paralysis to reduce breakouts. After capture, check the Pokemon's OT, PID, and summary to confirm it's legitimately shiny and from your intended method, then save to preserve it. If things go wrong, confirm your game version and that Masuda or chaining mechanics were active, recheck foreign ditto origin, and restart the routine with corrected setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.